Have you ever wondered why some advanced Amazon sellers and agency can manage hundreds of listings all at once? Well, the secret sauce is not so secret, and that is to use the Seller Central's Add Product Buyer function. If you want to learn how to create and update Amazon listings in bulk and also save hours of your time, stay tuned. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon marketing agency. I invite you to subscribe to content such as this one, where we do deep dives in the latest Amazon FBA news, tips, and hacks. The function that I'm talking about is in your Seller Central dashboard, and it is under Catalog, Add Product Via Upload. So now in this screen, you will see different tabs. The tabs we are mostly concerned with is Download Spreadsheet and Upload Spreadsheet. Now let's talk about how we actually going to create listings, Amazon listings, using this function. Basically, you're going to go through 3 steps, and that is number 1, download the spreadsheet. Number 2, edit the spreadsheet, and finally number 3, which is to upload the spreadsheet. Let's talk about number 1, which is the first step, and that is to download the spreadsheet. First of all, you need to know what category your listing is in. If you do not know this information, find a category of your closest competition. Now, what you're going to do is go to download the spreadsheet tab. You are going to click on the button download product spreadsheet under list product that is not currently in the Amazon catalog. Afterwards, you're going to go into the product type field, enter the category of your listing, click select, and then click generate spreadsheet. Once you download the spreadsheet, you're ready for step 2, which is to edit the spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet is downloaded, you will open and fill in the required information on the spreadsheet. The required information is all in the dark orange field, so make sure to fill them all. If you haven't come up with the optimized title, feel free to just put a placeholder value. You can edit the bullet points, the title later on. An important field is like the update and delete column. Make sure to fill that in as update, as that will tell Amazon that this row is that you are going to create a brand new listing. The yellow field is for the images, and also the green field of SEO can be filled later, as these is not required when you create your initial listing. Some additional fields that are required in my experience are the battery required and also the applicable dangerous goods regulation. Fill those in as appropriate. Now you are ready for this product spreadsheet to be uploaded. Now for number 3, we will upload the spreadsheet, and to upload the spreadsheet, you will click on the upload your spreadsheet tab, then just select upload your product spreadsheet. Once you upload the spreadsheet, and if you do get an action required status, download the processing summary spreadsheet, and it will tell you what necessary changes to make, and then re-upload your product spreadsheet again. You're gonna keep trying this and basically troubleshoot any issues until you reach the status done. It will probably take you some time to get this done status the first time around, but it will get incrementally easier as you do this more and more. Let's talk about how to bulk update your listing. In the beginning, we talked about how to create a listing using the product's spreadsheet via the product upload. Now let's talk about how to update your existing listing via bulk using a spreadsheet as well. This situation might arise if you want to say make a listing title change or a bullet point change across multiple listings. If you have to do this for like more than say 10 listings at once, then this is where the bulk update really shines and potentially can save you a lot of time. The steps are very similar to creating your listing. You can go through the same 3 process, which is number 1, download the spreadsheet, 2, edit the spreadsheet, and finally, the last step, upload the spreadsheet. Okay, so now with the downloading your listing, instead of downloading a blank spreadsheet, you're gonna go to under reports, and under the inventory report, here you will download the category report on the drop down. If by any chance there is no category report in the drop down, all you have to do is to create a ticket with the seller support for permission. The category report will have all your existing listing metadata in it, and all you have to do is that once you download is to edit this spreadsheet. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna open and edit the category report you just downloaded, edit the value in the spreadsheet as appropriate, right? For example, let's just say you want to edit the existing bullet points. You could do that on the spreadsheet. Now you're gonna go to the update and delete column. Make sure that it is partial update. This will tell Amazon that you are updating a particular value in a particular row, and then save the spreadsheet. Now let's move on to step 3. After you have edited the spreadsheet and that is to basically upload the spreadsheet. And basically it's going to be the same thing as you went through when you create the listing. You're going to go to your spreadsheet tab, then select and upload your edited category report spreadsheet. Again, you might get an action required status, as in the data in the upload is not quite complete, or it's missing some information, or the value is invalid, in which case you will make the necessary change by downloading the processing report and then do re-upload again. And there's might be some iteration into it. Again, it's hard to get it first time. There you have it. That's how you can manage to create Amazon listing and also update your Amazon listing. I hope this video is insightful and give you an idea how an agency like us can manage so many listings for so many clients effectively and efficiently. Try it on your own. Take some time on your first few tries. It is time well spent. Lastly, if you're an Amazon seller or a brand owner that wants to grow your business on Amazon, schedule a discovery call with me on the link below. We are an Amazon marketing agency that helps our client grow their business profitably. Until the next time, keep selling, keep hustling, and I'll catch you on the next. This is Rick signing off.